Hello everyone, thank you for your visiting Jiangsu DINGS website and YouTube channel. From this online seminar tutorial, I'd like to explain the characteristic and composition of DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motors and how to choose this product. DINGS provides various sizes of hybrid rotary stepper motors from minimum 13 mm up to 86 mm. And customer can select a product with a corresponding torque characteristic for the application based on bipolar or unipolar motors. I will continue to explain more details about this product. From now on, I would like to explain to help better understanding for the product composition and feature of DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motor. The hybrid rotary stepper motors currently provided by DINGS are basically unipolar and bipolar motor products based on the step angles of 3 degrees, 1.8 degrees, 1.2 degrees, and 0.9 degrees. The rotation angle of the step motor is defined as the angle at which the rotor rotates by one step, and its control method can be divided into 3 categories as full step, half step, and micro step. The step motors can rotate constantly with the set speed regardless of the amount of load applied to the motors within the load does not exceed the rated torque of the motors. It has a holding torque characteristic that can stop rotating shaft of the motors at a specific position without moving it, and has excellent response characteristic for start, stop, and reverse rotation of the motors. DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motors are composed of total 8 sizes. It has a motor body frame size 13 mm, 20 mm, 28 mm, 35 mm, 42 mm, 57 mm, 60 mm, and 86 mm. Motors for each size have a different motor length. In addition to single-axis or double-axis standard motors, customized shaft options such as special front or rear shaft machining are also available, and DINGS can provide encoder-ready type of motors that encoder assembly by customer for general motion control solutions, and the various options such as encoder housing, special cables, and harness solutions are available. If you want a specialized winding or customization, please contact DINGS or your local distributors. Let's take a look at the product characteristic for each motor size. The smallest size 14 mm NEMA 6 hybrid stepper motor provided by DINGS is the smallest size motor currently on the market and has a holding torque up to 0.005 Nm, and you can choose the encoder option of dedicated DINGS 14 mm size hybrid rotary stepper motor. The 20 mm NEMA 8 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has maximum holding torque up to 0.02 Nm, and the encoder and 22 mm size planetary gearbox option are available. The 28 mm NEMA 11 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 0.13 Nm. And the encoder and 28 mm size planetary gearbox option are available. 35 mm NEMA 14 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 0.2 Nm, and the encoder, 0.32 Nm brake, and 32 mm size planetary gearbox options are available. The 42 mm NEMA 17 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 0.72 Nm, and the encoder, 0.32 Nm brake, and 42 mm size planetary gearbox options are available. The 57 mm NEMA 23 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 2.0 Nm, and the encoder, 1.3 Nm and 2.3 Nm brakes, and 57 mm size planetary gearbox options are available. The 60 mm NEMA 24 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 3.0 Nm, and the encoder. 2.3 Nm brakes and 60 mm size planetary gearbox options are available. The 86 mm NEMA 34 size hybrid rotary stepper motor has a maximum holding torque up to 7.0 Nm, and the encoder, 5.0 Nm brakes and 86 mm size planetary gearbox options are available. The following are common features applicable to all size lineup of DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motors. This is a table summarizing the general characteristic of all motors and specification for materials. For more information, please visit the DINGS website or refer to a general catalog. I hope you have better understanding for DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motor product specifications. I will also explain various customization options that DINGS can offer. DINGS provides wide range of encoder options for hybrid rotary stepper motors. If customer wants, DINGS is able to make hybrid rotary stepper motors as encoder ready too. It means there can be rail shaft and encoder mounting holes according to customer requirements, but also DINGS freely allow customers to choose encoders according to their mechanical size, the way of signal output, and resolution. DINGS offers totally 6 different kinds of encoders. Please visit our website and freely choose your encoder option. DINGS offers common purpose of power-up brake for hybrid rotary stepper motor, especially motor size NEMA 14, 17, 23, 24, and 34. For vertical application or holding the motor from sudden power-up status, brake is strongly required. All series of DINGS brakes are DC 24V based magnetic brakes and max 2 million of life cycle guarantees under very low noise at 60 dB. DINGS offers planetary gearbox option with a total 6 sizes and 36 gear ratio applicable to motor size 20, 28, 35, 42, 57, and 60 mm. These gearboxes are not high-precision planetary gearbox like zero backlash, but planetary gearbox option with 1 degree backlash for small motors 22, 28, 32 mm, 1.2 degree for 42 mm, and 15 to 25 RPM precision grades for 57, 60 mm are provided. For more appropriate selection for gearbox, please refer to DINGS official catalog or our website. DINGS offers IP65 grade motor solution for certain applications like packaging, food and beverage manufacturing, usually required protection rating of motors like waters or dust-proof. DINGS is also able to provide various protection options like IP54 and 67. For more information, please contact DINGS or your local distributors. Let's select an actual motor based on the basic product information about DINGS hybrid rotary stepper motor explained so far. There are a few things to consider here. Let's take a look at some of the steps required for product selection. In case of the hybrid rotary stepper motors, check the maximum holding torque specification for each motor size provided by DINGS, and then select the appropriate motor size by checking with the torque curve by each driving speed based on the required holding torque by the application. However, it is recommended to select a motor having about 30% of safety torque margin in consideration of fluctuation of driving environment and the inertia of equipment. If you select the size of motor, you can decide the motor type according to control characteristics. The hybrid rotary stepper motors provided by DINGS are composed of a product group with step angles with 3 degrees, 1.8 degrees, 1.2 degrees, and 0.9 degrees, so you can select them considering with ease of control. In addition, there are 2 types of motor driving methods, unipolar and bipolar. Bipolar is a method that alternatively changes the current flowing in the winding. So the circuit is complicated and there are disadvantages in that torque does not come out at high speed rotation. but comparing with the unipolar method, it is widely used in the robot control because of its superior control precision and low speed torque performance. Unipolar is a method that flows current in one direction. It has a disadvantage that it does not produce a large torque, but the current circuit is simple. The risk of step out at high speed is low. High speed rotation and instantaneous high speed rotation. You can decide the wiring method according to the selected motor type. For bipolar motors, apply the 4-wire wiring method, and for unipolar motors, apply the 6-wire wiring method. With understanding for these characteristics, please select a motor according to your application. However, if you have any difficulty in product selection, please contact DINGS or your local distributors to help you. Thank you for your watching DINGS Hybrid Rotary Stepper Motors online seminar tutorial. For more information, please visit DINGS website www.dingsmotion.com.